Did you know that these vacuum cleaners are designed in France? We manufacture them in Vernon, in the heart of Normandy. They are conceived, developed, patented, prototyped, and perfected with the greatest requirement by our teams of engineers. To offer you the best quality, our vacuum cleaners are tested for more than 2,000 hours. Vacuuming tests, noise level, robustness. We test them to ensure performance and durability for you. For the manufacturing of our vacuum cleaners, we always integrate more recycled plastic. Added to this is the experience of our employees. The modernity and efficiency of our equipment contribute to the excellence, know-how, and daily pride of our vacuum cleaners. Part by part, our vacuum cleaners are assembled with care and precision. To finally reach you and offer you spotless cleaning results.